Have you ever wanted to create amazing, stunning, beautiful AI images and videos also without, writing long, complicated prompts? So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Whisk and how you can, subject, scene and style work together using a simple story. For it, you can open like Whisk. So you can search your like Whisk in your browser and you can open like this one, labs.google/fx/tool/whisk. So here you can see like we can create some magic. So we need to enter the tool. So once you enter the tool, you need to click on continue. So you can upload images as inspiration for your subject, scene and style if you want, or you can also write prompt. Continue. Now here you can see the dashboard of Whisk. You can see here like subject, scene and style. So you need to upload an asset or drag one into guide your creation, or you can enter text also. So in this video, I will show you from text. So subject, scene and style. Now the story is a young IT student is studying late at night and also dreaming of becoming a successful software engineer. So this one idea will help us like understand Whisk clearly. So subject means, the main focus of the image. So for it, we can type here the text, enter text, and the text I will type here like a young IT student sitting at a desk with a laptop. And you just click on generate. And within few seconds, like Whisk will generate an image like this. Actually tells Whisk who is in the image. So this one you can see like it's showing us now this image, and the laptop you can see the person is using laptop on the desk. Now scene also, like so you can type your text or you can also upload image. So as I told you that we will use text. So the text we will write here, and the text I will type here a quiet bedroom at night and desk lamp like glowing and coding lines on the laptop screen and books and notes around. So you can click on generate and you can see the scene will also generate by Whisk. Incredible. In the last one, style, if you want, so you can type here style like cinematic lighting, realistic and shallow depth of field, modern tech atmosphere. So we will click on generate. So you can see we have defined all these three things you can see here. The style that I typed, it's also here. So subject, scene and style. So now let's combine everything into one, single and clean Whisk prompt. So for it, you can see here. So now we will type the idea or roll the dice for the prompt ideas here. So I will type like a young IT student sitting at a desk with a laptop and coding late at night in a quiet bedroom and soft desk lamp lighting and glowing code on the screen and books and notes scattered around and cinematic lighting and realistic style and modern tech atmosphere, high detail. So you can see I have combined everything into a single prompt. So now we can press enter or just click here. So you can see like this one looks better. Like you can see here is looking at the desktop using a laptop on the desk, and you can see screen as well. So what we can do here, like we can click on animate, which image you want, you can click, and here now you can type the thing that you want. So for example, the student gently types on the laptop keyboard and code on the screen, softly scrolling, and the desk lamp light flickers slightly, and slow cinematic camera push in, and also shallow depth of field, calm and focused atmosphere. Now if we press enter, so it will animate it and will generate the video. So that will be incredible. Honestly speaking, the Whisk is incredibly awesome, professional, and the things are very awesome. So you can see it is generating, and let's wait. Your video is cooking, so exit to create more magic if you want. So till then you can exit and you can generate more magic, but we will see this first, then we will exit. So you can see the magic has been done. So if I play the video, amazing. The code looks stunning. We can exit from here, and now you can go to my library section. So you can see there the project is here, Whisk project. So you can open it, you can recheck it and create new project. If you can click here, so you can see same window will appear here, and here if we open it, so the subject, again one more we try. So enter text. So I will type here a professional chef carefully preparing what food, hands holding a wooden spoon and focused on expression. So you can generate first the subject. So this is the subject prompt that this time I used for a cooking scene example, and then we have the scene prompt as well. Now you can see the person is here. So the scene is like a modern kitchen with warm lighting and steam rising from a pan on the stove, and fresh vegetables and spices on the countertop. And if we click on generate, so you can see it will generate the scene, and you can see the subject is there, and now the scene is there, and it's incredible. And then style, if we want like realistic and cinematic lighting, shallow depth of field, and warm color tones, and high detail food photography style. And you can click on generate, so it will generate the style prompt. After this, we will apply the final image prompt, so all will combine and will generate and two images. So you can see the style is also there, and now we can type here like a professional chef preparing food in a modern kitchen, hands holding a wooden spoon while cooking in a pan, and steam rising from the pan, and fresh vegetables and spices on the countertop, and warm cinematic lighting and photorealistic style, shallow depth of field and high detail and food photography look. So you can see we have typed everything. We have combined the things. Now press enter, so it will generate the images, and then we will apply the animation prompt once the image is ready, which image we like, so we can animate that. So you can see how consistently you can, constantly you can generate the images and scene and everything. You can see now here. The first was the chef image, subject, then scene. You can see now vegetables and everything is there, and the style is also there. So for instance, I want to animate this one, so just click on animate. And here now I will type, the chef gently stirs the food in the pan, steam slowly rising and moving naturally. Soft light reflections on kitchen surfaces and subtle camera push in, smooth realistic motion, warm and inviting cooking atmosphere. Press enter, and now see the video is generating, and it will be incredible video. So you can see the magic has been done and the video is ready. So if we play it, you can see how the camera is moving. So it's incredible, and so we have learned a lot in this video how to use Whisk, and you can generate images and videos, and you can download it from here if you want. Like, you can download it, and all things, like images, if you want to download, you can download from here. So assets you can download and you can use for your projects. So subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.